Looking to make TikToks more cinematic or add a dramatic touch? Using slow motion is one of the simplest way to do it. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create it directly on your Android phone. Let's jump in. To do this, open the TikTok app, tap the plus icon. Now press and hold the photo button to record a video. After you are done recording, let go of the button. Now tap the effects icon on the right side menu. It looks like sparkles or stars. From the effects menu, look for the time section. Select it. Now tap slow-mo. After that, drag the effects slider on your timeline to adjust the duration of the slow motion effect. Once you are done, tap save, then tap next, and simply post the video with your hashtags and description. That's it. This is how you can create the slow motion TikToks using TikTok speed controls. Give it a try and make your videos look smooth and cinematic. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching.